Precision matters when measuring spaces for construction, renovation, or simple home projects, and modern laser tools make every task faster, easier, and more accurate than traditional methods. Best laser distance measure tools deliver reliable readings, smart features, and advanced convenience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Klein Distance Laser Distance Measure. Klein's Distance Laser Distance Measure is a dependable tool built for professionals and serious DIY users who demand consistent accuracy across a wide range of tasks. With a measuring range from as close as 2 inches up to 200 feet, it delivers precise readings with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy within the first 33 feet and plus or minus 1/8 inch beyond that, making it suitable for both short indoor measurements and larger job site layouts. The standout feature is its bright green laser, which is significantly more visible than traditional red beams, especially in brighter environments. This enhances usability when working outdoors or in well-lit rooms. The reverse contrast LCD display further improves readability, ensuring measurements are easy to see even in low-light conditions. Functionality is another strong point, as the device supports area, volume, and indirect measurements, allowing users to handle complex calculations like floor plans or duct sizing without additional tools. Number 2. Leica Geosystems Laser Distance Measure. Leica Geosystems is widely known for precision engineering, and this laser distance measure lives up to that reputation with professional-grade performance, offering a measuring range of up to 330 feet. And an impressive plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy. It is ideal for contractors, surveyors, and advanced users who require reliable results over longer distances. The device includes Bluetooth 4.0 connectivity, allowing seamless data transfer to compatible software, which is particularly useful for project documentation and digital workflows. Its internal memory stores the last 10 measurements, enabling quick reference without needing to remeasure. The inclusion of the Pythagoras function adds versatility, making it easier to calculate indirect heights or widths where direct measurement is not possible. Built with durability in mind, the unit features IP54 protection against dust and splashes, ensuring dependable performance in various job site conditions. The compact design makes it easy to carry, while its efficient power management. Number 3. MILESEEY S50 Laser Distance Measure. The MILESEEY S50 stands out as a feature-rich and high-performance laser distance measure designed for demanding applications. Its green beam laser is up to 4 times brighter than standard red lasers, significantly improving visibility in outdoor or challenging lighting conditions. With a maximum range of 400 feet and rapid measurement capability of up to 8 readings per second, it delivers both speed and precision, making it suitable for fast-paced work environments. The integration of power burst technology ensures stable and accurate readings even in less-than-ideal conditions such as dust, mist, or on low-reflective surfaces. One of its most impressive features is the advanced point-to-point P2P technology, which allows users to measure distances between 2 points from a single position, reducing the need for repositioning. Additionally, the device offers 18 intelligent measurement modes, covering everything from standard distance to complex indirect calculations. Number 4. Bosch GLM 165-25G Laser Distance Measure. The Bosch GLM 165-25G is a rugged and reliable laser distance measure designed to withstand tough job site conditions while delivering accurate results. With a measuring range of up to 165 feet and accuracy within plus or minus 1/16 inch, it offers dependable performance for a variety of indoor and outdoor tasks. Its green beam laser provides enhanced visibility, making it easier to target measurement points even in bright environments. The backlit color display is clear and easy to read, ensuring users can quickly interpret data in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of this model is its durable construction, including a full rubber overmold housing that protects against impacts, similar to a roll cage design. The IP65 rating further reinforces its resilience, offering protection against dust and water, which is essential for demanding work sites. Despite its toughness, the device remains user-friendly with straightforward controls that allow quick access to. Number 5. Huepar 656-foot laser distance measure. The Huepar 656-foot laser distance measure is a highly versatile and efficient tool, particularly suited for users who require extended range and advanced functionality. Its standout feature is the dual-direction measurement capability, allowing simultaneous measurements in 2 directions without repositioning the device, which significantly improves workflow efficiency. With a maximum bidirectional range of 656 feet and plus or minus 1/16-inch accuracy, it is ideal for large-scale projects and detailed measurements alike. The green beam laser enhances visibility, making it easier to work in both bright and low-light conditions. The backlit LCD display supports automatic rotation, ensuring clear readings regardless of the device's orientation. Functionality is extensive, offering 9 measurement modes, including distance, area, volume, angle, and multiple Pythagorean calculations, making it adaptable to a wide variety of applications. I share helpful videos for you every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.